2. Know your body. 1. Fill in the blanks. Children, here we are given 4 sentences which are incomplete, and here we have 4 words. Among these words, we have to select the correct word to form a correct sentence in these blanks. The words given here are mouth, legs, eyes, nose. So we will choose the correct word and fill in these blanks. A. We use dash to dance. The correct word here is legs. We use legs to dance. B. We use dash to see. The correct answer here is eyes. We use eyes to see. C. We use dash to smell. The correct answer here is nose. We use nose to smell. D. We use dash to eat. The correct answer here is mouth. We use mouth to eat. Know your body. Two. Know your body. Second bit here is search the body parts in the word grid. Children, here are some body parts and we have to search the names of these body parts in the word grid given here. First, let's check what are these body parts. These are eyes. This is tongue. These are ears. This is nose. These are hands. This is a foot. Now we have to search the names of these body parts in this word grid. First, let's find out the eyes. Eyes are here. We will mark the eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Next is tongue. This is the tongue. We will mark the spelling of the tongue here. T-O-N-G-U-E. Next is ears. E-A-R-S. We will highlight the word ears. E-A-R-S. Next is nose. This is the nose here. N-O-S-E. We will highlight the nose. N-O-S-E. These are the hands. H-A-N-D-S. We will highlight hands. H-A-N-D-S. Next, this is the foot. F-O-O-T, foot. We will color the foot. F-O-O-T, foot. So now you can see, children, the body parts we have highlighted in this word grid. Eyes, tongue, ears, nose, hands and foot. Three. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. Here we are given 4 statements and we have to write T for true statements and F for false statements. A. We use our nose to eat food. No, this is a false statement. So we will put the letter F. B. We can kick a ball with our foot? Yes, this is a true statement. C. We use our eyes to pick up things. This is a wrong statement. So we will put F for false. This is a false statement. So we are putting F. D. We use legs for cycling. Yes, this is a true statement. So we will put T for true. We use our nose to eat food. This is a false statement. So we have put F. We can kick a ball with our foot. This is a true statement. So we have put T for true. We use our eyes to pick up things. This is a false statement. So we have put F for false. D. We use legs for cycling. This is a true statement. So we have put T for true. Now this is the fourth bit. Draw a line from each word to the correct body part. Here this is a boy and here are given the names of body parts. We have to draw a line from this body part to the body part in this image, the picture of a boy given. The body parts are head, nose, hair, chest, fingers, leg, mouth, arm, hand, neck, toes, foot. So we will match the names with the picture. The here first is head. Where is head? We will match the head. Nose. Nose is here. So we will match the nose with the nose on the picture. Hair. This is the hair. We will match the name with the picture. Chest. Chest is, this part is the chest. So we will match the chest. Fingers. These are the fingers. Leg. This is the leg. Mouth. This is the mouth here. Now after mouth we will match arm. A-R-M, arm. The name we will match with the body part. Now this is the arm. We will match arm with the body part here. Arm is this. Next is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. We will match the hand with the here hand. Now next we have neck. N-E-C-K, neck. We will match the word here with that of neck. This is the neck of the body part. This is neck. This is hand and this is arm. Toes. These are the toes. We will take first foot. This is the foot here. We will match the foot first. Then these are the toes. Toes. The toes are here. So we match the toes with the name here. So you can see head, this is the head, nose, this is the nose, hair, here is the hair, chest, chest part, fingers, these are the fingers, leg, this is the leg, mouth. Mouth is here. Arm. This is arm. Hand. This is the hand. And neck. This part is the neck. Toes are the foot. Fingers are called toes. Foot is, this part is the foot. 5. Let's answer. Children, here we have some questions. We will read the questions and then write the answers for these questions. A. Which body part do you use to eat food? The answer for this is, we use our hands and mouth to eat food. 5. List any 2 activities you do using your hands. And the answer for this question is, we eat food and write with our hands. C. What activity can you do with your legs? The answer for this is, we can walk and dance with our legs. So these are the 3 questions and the answers. I will read for you once again. Which body part do you use to eat food? We use our hands and mouth to eat food. B. List any 2 activities you do using your hands. The answer is, we eat food and write with our hands. C. What activity can you do with your legs? The answer is, we can walk and dance with our legs. This is about the 5th bit. Let's answer. Now we will move to the next bit. Let's do it. The next section is let's do it. Encircle the pictures that help us to keep the different parts of our body neat and clean. Children, here we have some pictures. We have to encircle the pictures which help us to keep the different parts of our body neat and clean. Now let's see the pictures and tell what are these pictures. 1. This is a nail cutter. This is a bucket. This is a comb. This is a shampoo bottle. This is a toothpaste and this is a book. Now we will see how each one of these helps us to keep our body neat and clean. This is a nail cutter. Yes, we use the nail cutter to trim our nails. So this helps us to keep ourselves clean. So we will circle this picture. Now this is a bucket. In a bucket we fill water and take a bath. So bucket also helps us to keep ourselves clean. We will circle this bucket. The nail cutter and next is the bucket. We will circle the bucket here. Yes. Next is comb. Comb we use to comb our hair. So we use comb to keep our hair neat and tidy. So we will circle the comb here. This is shampoo. We wash our hair with the shampoo. So shampoo also helps our hair to keep neat and clean. So we will circle the shampoo bottle. Next is toothpaste. We brush our teeth with the brush and toothpaste. So toothpaste helps us to keep our teeth neat and clean. So we will circle the toothpaste. Next is a book. Book we use to read and study. So it does not help us to keep our body neat and clean. Only these things help us to keep our body neat and clean. So we have circled these pictures which help us to keep our body neat and clean. Children, you can do this activity in your workbook. And with this we completed the let's do it section and also the know your body lesson workbook part.